Hi all, welcome back to Stroll with HMTV channel. This is part 10 of our Florida vacation series, and you all know that we are in Busch Gardens of Tampa, Florida. We will be covering a lot of animals and birds around this African themed park. Unlike the Antarctic counterparts, African penguins thrive in warmer weather.
Whoa, God, these are so cute! I want to swim with them right now. They might peck me.
Native to Asia, Bengal tigers are one of the largest tiger subspecies. And this tiger lodge is set up beautifully with a little fountain for them to cool themselves.
Oh, this adorable elephant I could sit next to. A little parrot, that's so cute. A lion. Whoa, little duck. Wait, there's baby ducks too? And they're going into the pond? So cute. Look there, there's a lot of adorable flamingos. Look how bright and pink they are. So cute. Whoa, these are so cool.
Orangutans live in the trees in the tropical island rainforest. Elephants are one of the largest land animals. Thank you for staying with us, guys. If you wanna watch more of our videos, go down and you will see a red subscribe button. Touch it and you can watch a lot of our videos. And don't forget to click the bell button so that you can see all of our notifications. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.